here, open this button, open earn app. Okay, open earn app, click. For you, when you click the link in the description, you're gonna have to click on start. Okay, and then you will now be registered successfully. All you have to do is to click on that open AI bot. It will bring you to the interface, that is to the dashboard, for you to see what is happening there. So I'm going to take you briefly around the dashboard. Okay, so now let's get started. Now this platform was launched 3 days ago, as you can see right here, 3 days ago, and as of yesterday it was around 6,000 people, global users, and today is 10,592 global users already making money from the platform. So now when you activate your account, when you just click on start, you will be given 0.5 of their tokens. All right, I will show you their tokens. So 0.5 of their tokens will be given. That is what they are going to list. So they are going to list after. So let's just take it step by step. So right now you'll be given the token. Now their token stands as a trading power. So the more of this token that you have, the more money you're going to be making every day. Like this free one I've been given, you get me 0.028 dollars daily. That is 5.5%. okay, every day. And then if you want to buy that token, because the only way you can invest in this platform is to buy the token. When you buy the token, you will have the balance here. All right, this is equivalent to how much you're going to be earning every day. You see the daily earn here. All right, so this 0.5 is going to be giving me 0.028 dollars every day. That is 5.5% every day. Okay, so now if you click on the buy TP, okay, you're gonna see that you will need to make a deposit first, all right, of any amount beginning from $1 and above. Make the deposit, and then you can now come over here to where you see the investment amount, then enter the investment and that you wish to get started. So if you come in with $3, you're gonna be earning 0.180 every day. That's 18 cents per day. Okay, you're gonna be earning 18 cents per day, and it will run for 20 days. All right, every investment will run for 20 days. All right, so you're gonna be earning 18 cents per day times 20. All right, so that is it. So you just click on the deposit, and then you will after you make a deposit, all right, after you make a deposit here, after deposit, wait 1 minute, then click refresh and your balance will be updated. Okay, and then this is, you will scroll all the way up and then click on where you see copy. These are the deposit link. Okay, just click on it and copy. Minimum deposit is $1, as you can see here. All right, $1, and the network you need to transfer from is called BEP20. That is the network you're going to be using, USDT BEP20. Okay, USDT BEP20. So you now head over to your wallet, either Trust Wallet, SafePal, Binance, Get.io, and make transfer into here. You can get started with as little as $3, $50 and above. The more money you invest, the more money you make. When that is done, you can now come over here and enter the amount that you have made a deposit, and then if you put $300, you're going to be earning $18 per day, $18 per day, and $360 in 20 days. Okay, this is your profit now. All right, and then that is you're going to have access to the tokens you have purchased. When they have listed the token, you're going to have access to the token that has been listed. Okay, this one is just to give you opportunity to make money while waiting for token launch. Okay, and then you can now click on buy package and you'll be good. Your investment has started. Okay, now so let's go back to the dashboard. Now, return on investment in AI Earn. So from 0 and above, from 0, you'll be earning 0.5% per day. Sorry, 5.5% per day. From $20 and above, you're going to be earning 6% per day. From $300 and above, you're going to be earning 6.5% per day. From $3,000 to $10,000, which is the max, you're going to be earning 7% daily. Okay, so that is it for those that are investing. As you can see, these are the trading status that is going on. Trading status. So the more of the token you have, the more trading power you have. The trading power is here. Okay, so the more of the tokens you have, the more of the trading power you can have. And look at this one. This one has made 88.57% of the trade that just happened. Like I said before, that the trading is happening automatically. Okay, you don't have to monitor the market or look at anything. Just put the money or the money work for you. So this is it. And then let's go to another thing very important. Let me click on withdraw. Okay, let me click on withdraw. As you can see, this place withdraw is here. Okay, so I will click on withdraw to show you something right now. So you just enter. The minimum you can withdraw is $1, which is very, very powerful. $1, and then you will put in your USDT BEP20 network address here, right here, and put $1 here, or any amount from $1 and up, and then you can now withdraw. Minimum is withdraw, max is $100. You can withdraw 3 times a day. So if you have $300 to withdraw, you withdraw the first 100, withdraw the second 100, withdraw the third 100, making it $300. That is, you can withdraw 3 times a day. Okay, and the max withdrawal you can have per withdrawal is $100. That's what it said here, and the fee is 0. Okay, so let's look at this. So look at this. Today's date is 29, right? And look at this withdrawal. Today's date is 29, as you can see here, and this is the withdrawal that has been withdrawn successfully. So we are going to click here. You're going to click where you see this one, where you see withdrawal. That's the channel where you see the withdrawal proof. So we are going to click there, and then to lead us to where you see withdrawals. Okay, withdrawals are coming in. Withdrawals are coming in. People are withdrawing every day. Withdrawals are coming in. And then let's go back to the bot. Then you have $20 right here withdrawn. You have this was yesterday withdrawals. You see, it says withdrawals. You see 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28, 28. Withdrawals are happening every day. All right, so this person is coming from withdraw, successfully withdrew. This one, this one is Opeyemi. This person is called Opeyemi. This is a Nigerian. All right, withdrew. And this one, Gracie, withdrew. These are usernames on, these are real people making this withdrawal. Selena, Selena, and then you have Yusuf. You have Paul Medic. You have many people withdrawing here. So I just want to show you that the platform is paying. It's paying. It's real. People are getting withdrawals. It's paying effectively. Some withdrew 10, some withdrew 20, 4. You can withdraw as minimum as $1. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. And then let's go back to the dashboard and check on other things we need to do right now before I end this video. This video is already too long. And then if you want to contact your support, you can come over here to where you see support and click there, contact your support. Okay, so you can also refer to earn. If you want to do referral, you can also refer to earn. Okay, so just click on referral to earn, and then this is it. So my link will be in the description below. Get the link, register, and get started with your investments. All right, so that is it about the video. If you click on introduction, you will now see what is happening here. Daily ROI is 5.5% to 7% daily, and then 10k users so far, 99.8% success rate. Total earnings $2 million, 24 hours, 7 days trading. All right, so the features are here. Features are here inside the button, start withdrawal, and then the referral. All right, so that is what it is. Okay, so that's it for the video. If you want to get started with AI trading bot, you are very, very free. All right, you're very, very free to get started. This is not a financial advice, but if you want to get started, you are very, very free. So that's it for the video. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, whenever we post a video, you're going to be the first to get. So the link will be in the description below. Click the link to register and get started today. Thanks for watching.